Welcome to another round of crypto terms. Today's crypto term, mining and staking rewards. The rewards for miners who mine a proof-of-work cryptocurrency network are known as mining rewards. These come in fractional amounts of newly minted cryptocurrency, as well as transaction fees from blocks. The rewards for validator nodes who validate on a proof-of-stake network are a bit different. Validators are required to stake their own currency. They can't use the amount staked until after the stake is completed. Benefit? The more currency staked, the higher the rewards could be, though the rewards still come in the form of newly minted currency and transaction fees. Additionally, staking rewards are often distributed to several validators who participated, rather than a single winner of a race. Lastly, staking functions differently on different networks. Because of this, validators may have their own staking pools. Pools can include nodes that may not have enough crypto to be a full validator, but still wish to participate in staking and validation. If a staking pool receives rewards, they are distributed among the many nodes within the pool, rather than to a single node. Interested in more crypto terms? Check out our proof of stake and proof of work videos. Don't let crypto jargon be a barrier between you and financial freedom. Head to iTrustCapital.com for more information and keep it here on our channel for key concepts to learn.